Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario 64 B3313 step by step. Start by calibrating your controller sensitivity and camera speed for smooth turns. Focus on mastering basic movement, warm up with basic runs to get comfortable with speed and timing. Work on consistent long jumps by sprinting, pressing jump at the last possible frame, and holding direction. Incorporate wall kicks into practice runs to recover when you overshoot platforms or need to extend distance. Use safe zones to rehearse tricky transitions and slowly increase pace as consistency improves. Record runs to compare technique and refine approach over time. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more content you'll enjoy. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for durable socks with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long couch sessions and intense practice days. They stay comfy even during marathon runs. Check the description for the link and other deals before you continue. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Map out the most reliable star routes before attempting a full run. Choose pathways that limit high-risk tricks until you can perform them consistently. Identify stars that permit sequence breaks and integrate them only when you're confident with required skills. Use conservative coin strategies for survival and master midpoint strategies for difficult sections. Keep a log of preferred routes and variations so you can adapt quickly during a run without losing focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.